Trying to format a large USB drive or hard disk but can't find the FAT32 option. Windows doesn't support FAT32 for large drives by default, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the simple ways to format any drive to FAT32 safely. By default, Windows only lets you format drives up to 32 GB in FAT32. For anything larger, the FAT32 option disappears. But FAT32 is still needed for some consoles, smart TV. Now, let's see how to use AOMEI Partition Assistant format any drive into FAT32 in Windows 11/10/8/7. If you need this free tool, click the link in the description to download it for free. Method 1. Use AOMEI Partition Assistant. Step 1. In the main user interface, right-click the drive partition and select Format Partition. Step 2. Set the file system of partition to FAT32 and then click OK button. You are allowed to change cluster size or add a partition label as well. Step 3. You'll return to the main interface, click Apply and proceed after confirmation. Method 2. Format with CMD. Step 1. Press Windows +R. Then enter Disk Part and click OK. Step 2. Type List Disk and press Enter to view all the disks connected to the computer. Step 3. Confirm the disk you want to format as FAT32, then type the following commands in sequence and press Enter. Select Disk 2. List partition. Select partition X. X represents the partition number you want to format. Format FS equals FAT32. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.